Hold on, let me stretch. Oh, are you ready, Anna?
Yep.
Oh, that's good. What's going on, guys? Dustin here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We're here with Anna,
Hello.
who's our social media rep. So for those of you that don't know, when you comment on any of our Instagram or YouTube posts, Anna's usually the one that's liking comments, replying to that, all sorts of that good stuff. So we're back today with another episode of From the Gallery. It's where we rate your trucks on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. So yeah, any questions before we jump into it?
No, I'm good.
Let's do it. 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500 Hostile Jigsaw 20x12s and Nitto NT 420s on a Bilstein leveling kit. So interesting enough, that's a street tire. So you don't see a ton of those, but the NT 420 is like the go-to tire for like street builds. So pretty simple build, nothing too crazy. I see the front bumper here is painted to match. I really like the headlights on these trucks, and those LED brake lights look phenomenal. Super cool that he's got kind of the street truck thing going on here. You know, it's leveled. He's got a really big wheel with like a street tire on it.
Yeah, I like the taillights. Nitto is one of my favorite brands. Hostiles are pretty nice.
Yeah, absolutely. And black and milled again is always a solid option.
It's always a
when it
good
comes to
go-to.
wheels. So cool. I'm ready to rate it if you are.
Yep.
All right, 3, 2, 1, 8.
6.
6. Holy cow.
It doesn't look super crazy. It's got some nice mods. I'm not a huge fan of the red.
Really?
But I'm more of a blacked out
Okay.
kind of thing. So.
Okay, sure.
But it's still pretty nice.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's gorgeous. I love the kind of red and black theme that he's got going on here.
It is a good theme, yeah.
I really like to see builds this style because we don't see a lot of like street trucks.
Yeah.
So super neat to me to see a guy that not only has done the street truck on the wheel and tire package, but has also done it with long tube headers, with a tune, with all that stuff.
That's
so.
I did like that. I would have rated it a lot lower.
Savage. Cool. All right. 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500. Archon Lincolns 22x12s. Venom Power Terra Hunters, which is a super cool tire. We just did a review on these actually, and they do really cool burnouts.
A lot of people have been asking about those.
Have they? Okay.
Yes.
Looks like these are a 33 12.5 on there and a 3-inch MotoFab suspension lift. So big old chrome Lincolns on there. Looks like he removed the mud flaps, pulled back the fender liners, still rubs a little in reverse, which is to be expected when you're running a 22x12. Look at all the poke. How crazy is that? Just hanging tire out the side of the truck there. So these trucks look super interesting, these 19s, because they're really like round, you know, with just the way the front end pulls back and then the cab is really rounded out. So all right, I'm ready to rate it if you are.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1,
5.
7. Wow. That's good though. Tell me why it's a 5.
I'm not a huge fan of chrome.
Okay.
I don't really like the look of the new Chevys. I think they look kind of weird in the front end.
Okay.
But I respect the build. I love Archon, so that's why I gave it a 5 still.
Sure. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's a 7 for me. I like it. I'm not a huge fan of this body style either. I do like the wheel and tire package on that though. The Lincolns are super good looking. I like that he matched the chrome with the chrome at least.
Yeah,
you know, it's not.
Yeah, if it was like black wheels and then the whole front end was chrome, that'd be horrible.
Yeah, I don't think it would look super good, but I think he's on a really great starting platform. You know,
Yeah.
Couple spots you could maybe improve. I'd like to see the bumpers painted to match, personally. I think it would look really good. Match the tint all the way around.
Yeah.
You know, he's off to a great start with it either way.
Definitely.
So cool. 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 American Force Blade SS's 26x16. Holy cow, this thing is huge. Fury Country Hunter MTs in a 40x15.5 and 12-inch full throttle suspension lift. So we went from one extreme to the other.
Yeah.
We went from like a brand new truck with really small tasteful mods to basically a full-on SEMA build.
Yeah.
I mean, Forces obviously are gorgeous. Look at these high quality gallery photos. It's beautiful there.
Yeah, I saw this in the gallery and I really liked it.
Really? Okay. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love the powder coat on the on all the suspension bits there. I think that's a super cool way to just tie a little color in there. His license plate is 26 by 16s.
Oh, geez.
Super cool. Arizona plates on there. So
Okay.
really neat. Again, just beautiful photos. It's got the ring lights and the rock lights and the wheel
Yeah,
wells.
that looks awesome. Yeah, I think the red really adds to it. If the suspension wasn't powder coated that color, I feel like it wouldn't stand out as much.
It wouldn't pop as much, right?
Yeah.
It has that, like, you know, when you look at it from like the front quarter here, it just pops so much. So
Yeah, you know, I really like this one, even with the chrome.
cool.
I like it.
Well, let's rate it. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1,
8.
9.5. I'm in love with this thing. I don't know that I could find a whole lot for him to do differently, other than the only thing that I would personally do is maybe delete out the amber, you know, and like the turn signals. Other than that, I think the wheel and tire package is great. The color in the suspension is awesome. I love it. I love everything about it.
I love it too. I guess it's just the chrome again is not my favorite. So that's why I'd say an 8.
Sure.
But other than that, it's a really beautiful build.
Yeah, and I mean, obviously he's got a ton of time into this one.
Yeah,
so.
no, it's definitely SEMA worthy.
Gorgeous truck. Last but not least, we have a 2013 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, Hostile Alpha 22 by 12s, a Turo Trailblade MTs, which is a pretty decently aggressive tire, and a Rough Country 5-inch suspension lift. I love, first picture out of the gate is this one with the bow tie, and I absolutely love that light up bow tie.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
It's super cool.
Yeah, the white and black combo's pretty nice.
Yeah, I think
like
it's
safe
neat.
bet.
Absolutely. Cool. Ready to rate this one?
Yep.
Cool. 3, 2, 1, 8.
6.
Okay.
You know, honestly, I'm more of a Ram person,
Okay.
so rating all these Chevys is kind of hard. But I guess I like it. I'm not a huge fan of the thing on the hood, the deflector.
Oh, like the bug guard
Yeah.
there? Yep.
But I mean, other than that, there's really not much more, I guess, to make it nicer. It's just not 100% my style.
Sure, absolutely. Yeah, and I like it. I mean, I think it looks good. I'm gonna put this down here. The thing for me is that's probably, of all the most recent Chevy body styles, like Cat Eye and above, that's probably, I don't know, it's just the headlights on those don't really do it for me.
Yeah.
I much prefer the 14 to 18 with the split headlight style, but it's still a really beautiful truck. He's done a really good job, you know, kind of piecing it together and making it his own. So.
Yeah, no, it's definitely a nice truck.
Yeah, cool. Well, that's it. So now we get to wrap it up. Well, there you have it, guys. There's another episode of From the Gallery. Thanks to Anna for joining us today. Remember, if you want a chance for your truck to be rated, you want to add it to the gallery, head on over to customoffsets.com/add. And if you like this video, make sure you click the like button and subscribe to the channel, click the little bell so you get notifications when we upload. And with that, we'll see you next time.